Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey guys, Dem and J1990 back with Dan again.
Salutations, ladies and gentlemen.
And it's breakfast time.
It's breakfast time. We're hungry.
We are.
Yes.
Well, yeah.
We are hungry.
So I've picked up breakfast muffin. A £1 breakfast muffin.
How much are the ones in Mackey's? McDonald's.
Two, £3.
So yeah, here we go. So you can get 2 of these.
Apparently it's a heat 'em up.
Heat 'em up.
Heat 'em up. It's a breakfast muffin with sausage and egg.
Sorry, it's a hEat.
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 Yeah. I got this from Tesco's for £1 whole.
And it's frozen.
Serving suggestion for best before end of pack side. end of cider pack.
Oh. What's the end of cider pack?
Oh, it's in date. That's all right. August 19.
Oh, there you go. It's frozen.
I'm just looking at the back. See, it's fatty. 13 grams of fat. Should we open this? Yeah. Well, what we'll do is we'll have a look at it in its frozen state, and then we'll cook it up. Oh my god!
It's just a muffin. It's just frozen muffin.
But look at it.
It's all right.
Is that an egg?
Yeah, it's an egg. It's just a scrambled egg patty with a sausage patty. Has it got sauce with it? Or
no.
is this going to be like a dry?
It's going to be a dry, horrible muffin. Oh, hang on, we've got a special guest here. Come here, you. Come here. Do you want to have a look at this? Oh, there we go.
What do you think?
What do you think of that? Missy likes it.
Yeah.
Okay. So should we cook this up and have a whirl?
If we must.
Okay.
If we must.
Okay. Here it is. In its wobbly goodness.
Wish we had smell-o-vision.
Yeah, this smells rotten. Like really bad. The grease that's on this plate is ridiculous.
So it's already congealed. But,
yeah. I have a knife. We don't have to eat all of this.
No, we'll do one of those nice cross sections though, out of like the cooking shows.
I'm only going to cut it in half.
Yeah, exactly, and then they pull it apart.
Yeah.
Do a nice little cross section. Is it?
The knife doesn't even work. Right. Okay. The dog is looking at me quite in amazement. I think she wants this.
Probably will taste like dog food.
No, I'll put that there. I'll put that over there. Okay.
That's to slip my wrists in them. It doesn't look too bad.
The smell of that sausage is really peppery.
Except you've just pulled my half into the congealed grease, so cheers for that.
It's alright, not a problem, mate. Right. Take it off.
Okay.
It's fucking hot. It's hot.
Oh, the bottom's nice and wet, like
nice
normal.
And soggy,
nice
yeah.
Microwave bread.
It's got a lot of powder on the.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh yeah. Right.
Ready?
No. Okay. It's going to be really hot, by the way.
Ah, what a way to start your morning, eh?
Chin.
Chin.
Oh, thanks, pal.
Oh, sauce is horrible. It's hot as well. Oh.
I'm glad that.
Oh, that sausage is terrible.
I can't taste the omelette at all. The egg omelette thing.
Oh, it's like.
I'm glad I only paid £1 for that.
Oh, it's like the pig's toenails and.
I think that's probably what it's made with.
Trotters. It's got quite a lot of
I'll just disassemble this and that's your floppy.
That's a floppy
bread.
bit of bread.
That's
apparently egg.
That's apparently an egg. Eggs should not bounce.
And you did mention how seasoned that is, and you
can
can
taste it, and you can really see the pepper in that. Ah, shit, that's hot.
I mean, it's just it's this. It's like,
It's horrible on its own. Ugh.
num, num, num. Well, what a way to start that day.
If you reach down there,
Yes,
I have lunch.
we do.
I have lunch prepared for you. Well, not
'Cause
prepared.
time
but-
goes very quick in
Yeah.
James's house.
That's not the only thing we've got.
I'm going to move that to one side.
That's one side. We've also got
For lunch.
a doner kebab.
Yes.
This was also £1.
God, the pepper.
This is a doner kebab with spicy chili sauce.
Which, considering doner kebab in itself, is disgusting.
Yeah. Yes, made by the same company. Heat 'em up. So this could be.
Well, with the delicious breakfast muffin they've just given us. What? Oh, my God. How many onions?
Chili sauce.
It's just look at all that onion.
But I like how obviously it keeps in the freezer. Obviously, this has been out for a couple of minutes now. That
It shouldn't
all
be
your
like that.
all your
still.
sauce gets frozen.
Yeah.
But that is a lot of onion.
Mm. And you know when these things are made in a factory because the sachet literally just has chili printed on the sachet. So they make these by the absolute bulk.
Right. So we'll cook this one up
Yeah.
and we'll give this a go, shall we?
Why not?
Why not? Okay. The smell of this.
There's a strong smell of onion,
There is a really strong smell of onion.
and
But
underneath a
I
smell
don't-
that I didn't think was possibly worse than the sausage. But it was
Not pea that pita bread is.
so damp in there from all the steam.
Oh, right. So here's the chili sauce.
So we must apply.
So you had to put the chili sauce in a bowl of hot water.
We did.
What do you mean we did? I did. You sat here.
I did sit here.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't want chili sauce going in. Right. Would you like to open the flap? Thank you. How much chili sauce are we putting on?
Go on, slap it in. You're going to need it because you want to mask the taste of...
Should we try a bit of chili sauce on its own as well?
Yeah, you can do. Yeah.
See what that's like.
Yeah, I'll put a little bit on it.
Okay.
Very tomatoey. Doesn't taste too bad. There's
it's
no
not-
fucking chili in it at all.
It's not spicy at all, is it?
It is tomato ketchup.
Very,
a really
very
bad
thin
one.
tomato.
Would you like to cut?
I will cut. Shit, it's hot. It's like I got a sharp knife. Oh, fucking hell.
How many men does it take to cut a doner kebab in half?
Okay. Oh.
We're going to go for a nice meaty bit.
Should we go for like that corner
We'll go
each?
for the corner bit.
Yeah.
'cause
Yeah. Oh god.
I'll wrap it like that.
Oh, it's so soggy underneath.
Oh, it makes me cringe.
Hang on. Let's
There you go.
let's get that.
We're going to go for a nice bit here.
It's fucking hot.
This could be very hot.
Yeah. Right. You ready?
Yes.
I'm not.
Everyone here are blowing. Right.
Vile.
2,
One.
1. Oh, God. I just chewed into a lump of, I think was gristle.
It does taste like really cheap doner meat.
I mean,
Like from a really shit kebab house.
do you know what, I'm surprised the taste actually isn't as bad as I thought it would be.
No.
It's just the bloody whatever fucking meat they've used in that is not
I say
meat.
it tastes like just a really cheap kebab.
I'm sure that at 1.5% of this was meat,
Yeah.
and they managed to destroy that.
Yeah. Could you just get us a box again? I just want to have a read of something. It's
Oh, it's weird. It's like...
do you know what that reminds me of?
Mm.
Reminds me of the meat you used to get at school.
Yeah. Like when they did beef.
On your school dinners.
But it's not... the problem is with...
Here you go.
The problem is with doner kebab
Right.
is that you want it to be like crispy meat, don't you? Like,
Yeah.
what's-
It's actually 33% doner meat.
And even that says cooked, reformed.
30% mutton,
Okay.
25% chicken.
And that's what you get when you put all those together.
Floppy flip flop.
Well, that's a very disappointing day of meals for me.
Yeah. But don't worry, we have another video coming on. We've got some Oriental food coming up.
Yes.
Which Dan has bought. I have no clue what he's got.
The Oriental special.
The Oriental special. We will put links and cards and everything for all the taste testing videos we do today. And I'm going to go and wash my mouth out.
Yes. With
Disinfectant.
mouthwash.
No, disinfectant, I think.
Bleach.
Bleach, yeah.
Bleach.
We got any Dettol?